when patient visit directly to Empaneled hospital for emergency treatment. Also, same process. Enter the Umeed number for the patient who came for emergency treatment. The OTP will be sent after confirming the OTP. Patient details will open here. And to raise the emergency request from private Empaneled hospital to referral hospital has to click on this emergency critical care referral token. This button to generate a emergency referral token. Click yes, send OTP. One more OTP will be sent to patient mobile app. On confirming OTP, new row will be inserted here. You can see on top of this is the emergency referral token generated for this patient. Now against this row, referral hospital to request approval for the treatment in private Empaneled hospital. So this is the admission date, at what time patient has came to them, they can request. And if any private Empaneled hospital has empaneled for more than one railway hospital, there is an option to select to which hospital this approval request has to be sent. That railway hospital has to be selected, and any documents or tests which have been conducted or brought by the patient can be uploaded for the reference of approving authority from the railways. And emergency contact number, take the contact number of the any attendant who were with the patient. This emergency contact is required if in case any additional information required from the railway authority, they will call back or they will know the status of the patient and enter the what type of treatment or diagnosis to be given. Proceed to submit the request to railway hospital for approval. Now you can see the status has been changed from approved pending, approval pending. Now this request will be sent to railway hospital. In railway hospitals, once this request approval is sent, a SMS will be triggered to CMS for the divisions and MDs for the central hospitals as an alert to request has been sent from the private Empaneled hospitals. That this critical bar emergency referral approval access will be given to all approving authorities. You can see one request has been received. Select the patient whom the request has been approval pending. Here there are different status: approval pending, forwarded, approved. Here doctor approving authority can see. Here approving authority can view the details of the patient, UMIN number, and the documents which were uploaded can be seen on clicking of this, and from which hospital this request has been sent and what is the admission date, emergency contact number, and diagnosis and treatment summary is here. And here doctor approving authority can directly approve the request received from the hospital and provide the remarks, or in case approving authority has to forward this to any specialty doctor, then they can forward the request to specialty doctor. Else they can, if it is not appropriate request for this treatment is not covered under emergency, they can directly reject the request sent from the Empaneled referral hospitals. In this case, we approve and click on save button. Once we approve, this will be shown in the approved list. You can see this patient has been approved for Drishti Eye Hospital. Once approval is given, an email will be triggered to Empaneled hospital to check the patient's approval. You can see in the patient details one emergency referral which were sent. This is approved, and on this click of yellow button you can see the approval remarks from the approving authority. Click to acknowledge the referral raised by the private Empaneled hospital. Now this patient has been admitted and providing the treatment with the emergency request which has been approved. And further same process to discharge the patient after completing the treatment. Click on the click to discharge button to discharge the patient. With this, the treatment for emergency request has been completed.